Guys, let's go draw my whiteboard with my whiteboard marker. I'm just gonna open it. You're gonna be the judge. That's the normal kid.
So the show covered 11,000.
Just watch. The most sketchable thing in my life.
Over 100.
No.
Kasi yung pinaka-unique sa yung Philippines.
Oh, what I like. This is the bed.
Ang gumagawa, iba-iba ang means ka na ginagawa. Dahil sa akin, follow through. Kasi yung sa akin, kung nakita mo, may ang akit yung dahil makulang. Sa akin, ang nararamdaman ko, dahil madadala ko sa ibang bansa, ay po-promote niyo yung gawang Pilipinas. Kaya doon po akong naging masaya. Dahil guys, sa ating lugar, at ibinala niyo doon, at ibinabawal niyo yung mga gumagawa.
Tapos nang lumabas to,
Kasi isang pinagawa.
ay, nakuiyan ka na naman yan.
Nakakita ka na naman ng bago.
Oh, no. I'm sorry, guys. Fall.
Sa package niya. Madali na yung set.
We were excited to work with them because they were able to use their unique Filipino style with their lettering, the coloring, and each of them had their own technique. But we also were able to share the story of the Rough Riders with Filipinos themselves.
And also thinking about it as a vernacular style, we were really interested before in all the ephemera, all the posters, all the the sort of the bills and the heralds that the Wild West show would produce. When they would come into town, they actually had a team of people that would wallpaper the towns, the exteriors of buildings to announce the show. And so in a lot of ways, we're taking the sort of the visual vernacular of the Philippines and doing a similar sort of thing, like this idea of kind of an overwhelming amount of information about this group of performers coming through a place and making it present. So, it's over 100 years later, but there's something very present about these signs as opposed to living in the past.
Nakikita naman natin yan na kawawa naman si Digong, di ba? Nakikita naman natin yan na kawawa naman si Digong, di ba? Kaya
Rate this out of 10 to 1 to choose in the comment section. I'm gonna put here. I'm gonna go test my mom and see what it's gonna be.
you're more likely to believe even
10 over 10.
fire. You are likely to believe that there is fire because 50 people
Ganda.
think that there is fire, even if
Wala lang mata at saka kamay.
that happens a lot.
Walang kamay yun.
Ay,
Ate ko niyan, pag gamit siya, nabili siya ng yung sa sampo, para isa-isa rin niya.
Yeah. I'm looking at there. Yeah. See you next time, boys. If you don't subscribe, that will be okay. Maybe just do the new channel. If this go viral,
Saan yung ano? Saan yun?
maybe. Wait. If we will make this thing a trend, I'll promise. I'm gonna do it again and again. And until I turn into a 1 million subscriber guy. And I'm never gonna trust you again, boys. Just do it, I don't care. See you guys later, boys. Ooh, yeah, this is my job. Everything I say. Yeah, I'm 8. You see that? I'm 8. That's my name right there.